What's up guys, it's been a while since I spray painted something. 2 years ago I used plastidip and this is what the result looks like. It's always just faded out. Like, I kid you not, when I first plastidip it looked like this. And the other thing about plastidip, a lot of marring. I can easily scratch the entire surface. So what I'm gonna do in this tutorial is use Tremclad, a high heat enamel. What I can do with this is spray paint it on and it'll take about 10 minutes to fully heal and cure, and I can reinstall my grill. Now to remove your front grill or aftermarket grill, it shouldn't be too hard. There's 2 screws, so let's take those off right now. That's 2. And hopefully you can take this right off. Alright, let's get this started. And this is how your car looks like without a front grill. So that's the grill we're going to be painting. You don't really need much for this tutorial except for like a glass cleaner, alcohol, favorite paint, paper towel, and sandpaper. So because this has been plastidip and not painted, it's a rubberized material which you can peel off. This is what I love about plastidip. If you don't like something, just peel it off. It's like, it feels like a balloon when it's been popped. If you look at the original paint, it's been preserved nicely. If you layered plastidip on properly, everything would easily peel out. This is unforgivable. Well, you get the process. If you're having trouble removing plastidip, you could try using brake fluid, Glue Gun, or even WD-40 to soften up the paint. It's got this nice citrus smell to it. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes and then use a pressure washer and just rinse it off. After you're done pressure washing, there should be no residue or plastidip left over. So now you can start prepping for your paint. You want to start off your prep by sanding. I'm going to use 1500 grit. You're going to get a surface that looks really hazy, just like this. Here's your surface, sand it down. Now we're going to wash this off. Okay, and now you want to dry it. Next we're going to use alcohol and degrease, disinfect the surface. Now it's time to paint. Okay, we're gonna use Tremclad. Let's get you like the best angle. So first you wanna shake this, test it out here. Okay, ooh, it's nice. So you wanna aim this, doesn't say how far to aim it from. So I'm gonna assume maybe like 6 to 8 inches, somewhere around here. Okay, so here. I'm just gonna put it under this tray here. We'll come back after 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes later, let's come back and do one more coat. Take this off, take that off. Okay, looking good, looking good. Yes, yes, I love this shine right here. Alright, one more coat. Don't breathe this in. It's toxic. You're gonna get poisoned. Going to grade 6, give me a high 5. Yeah. Okay, I'll put this guy.
Is it meant to collect the sun?
Okay, we did it. 10 minutes later, we'll come back. Alright, let's check out how bad this paint job came out. Alright, yo, this is looking nice. Okay. Alright, so here's the next day, and this is our finished product. I like the coloring on this. I'm gonna take this and just pop the hood and install it. Look at how beautiful this came out. I am so happy with this. By the way, some rain did fall, but that's after it already dried. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this respraying tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll see you next time.